Skills that were once essential to jobs have become automatable, creating a space where people must develop new professional skills to stay valuable. While you might think that your job isn't at stake, automation has found its way into nearly every industry across businesses. Nearly 46% of jobs in the US could be replaced with intelligent devices and automation in the coming years. Now's the time to think about what skills and practices you can develop to ensure that your career will be safe in the future. Hiring organizations have reported a serious skills gap in current and prospective employees. From hard skills to soft skills. When considering what skills you should learn for the future, it's important to think about what will be relevant to your career and what is most desired by companies. In today's video, we will be looking at some of the top skills to learn for the future. But before we continue, make sure to subscribe to our channel and click on the notification button. Number 8. Leadership. Possessing strong leadership skills means that you know how to effectively motivate and direct others, setting up your entire team for success. Companies look for leadership skills in employees to promote a successful team and organization. Research has shown that it's more beneficial for companies to promote internally rather than hiring externally. This means that when it comes to leadership opportunities, companies are more likely to promote their employees to those positions. If you want to secure a career within your company, it's important to always be developing leadership and team development skills to keep you moving up the ladder. Number 7. Emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence has been described in several ways, but to most, it explains a person's ability to recognize their own emotions and the emotions of others. A person with strong emotional intelligence understands how to process and regulate their own feelings while being in tune with coworkers' feelings. Companies look for emotional intelligence in workers because it signifies strong interpersonal skills. Employees that have strong emotional intelligence will be able to communicate, debate, and disagree without the situation getting out of control. This is important in every company that wants to host an honest, collaborative working environment. Number 6. Critical thinking. Companies look for critical thinking skills in their employees because critical thinking indicates the ability to solve both vague and complex problems. Management can't always direct your workflow, which means when you run into problems, it's likely you'll need to take on the task yourself. Strong critical thinking skills enable you to find a solution to almost any problem that arises in your daily work. Companies want to know that their workers can handle problems independently, which is why they desire workers with strong critical thinking skills. Number 5. Blockchain. You don't have to work in finance for blockchain to be relevant to your workplace. Blockchain is characterized as a solution in search of problems, making it a desirable skill for employees to have. Blockchain is driving deep changes to the architecture of corporations. If you understand how blockchain works, you will be in the mindset to find potential problems within your company before they develop into real problems. Knowing more about the way it changes and develops daily will help you advance and apply your blockchain skills. Number 4. UX design. The internet continues to grow as the main source for consumers to find information in products. While it's important for companies to host a website so that consumers can find them in their products, it doesn't matter unless they can keep consumers on their site. User experience, UX design is essential to keeping users on a website. Bad UX design can lead to high bounce rates, which costs companies money. Companies have shifted their focus to UX design in order to stay competitive in the future. Having UX design skills shows employers that you are invested in ensuring users have a good experience. Companies value this skill and mindset as it proves to be applicable across the board. Number 3. Cloud. Cloud computing is a safe way to store and manage company data that also enables remote access to company platforms. The technology has become one of the best ways to leverage and store data securely, making it popular across several companies. If you develop cloud computing skills, you offer the ability to advise your employer on how to best manage their cloud. From remote data storage to multi-cloud computing, understanding the different aspects of the cloud and its possible uses will make you valuable to any company. Number 2. Coding. Coding has quickly become one of the most sought-after skills people can learn. Computing languages serve a variety of purposes and can be applied to almost any job. At this point, coding has become so dominant across industries that experts argue that coding might soon be a basic life skill. Learning to code is one skill, but could take some time. The specific computing language you want to become literate in will determine how long it takes you to learn to code. Often, people begin with the easiest languages to learn, like HTML or JavaScript. Number 1 on the list is artificial intelligence. You don't need to work in the artificial intelligence field to encounter AI in your workplace. Software like hype automation and business intelligence, both examples of process automation enhanced by artificial intelligence, regularly rank among some of the top business technology trends lists. These technologies are being employed across digitally transformed companies, which now account for approximately 70% of businesses. These technologies are transforming the way businesses function, enhancing the need for employees with artificial intelligence experience across industries. Developing artificial intelligence skills is sure to be valuable in any company. So, if you liked our video, please do well to subscribe to our channel and click on the notification button.